Okay, and finishing off with the movers and the levels.
Okay, well, it's earnings season again, as I suggested yesterday, and becoming thick and fast already. Pepsi-Cola, or PepsiCo as we must call them now, PEP in the US, reporting pre the market, $97.90, up 2.36%, and it's quite clear why that is. They beat on earnings, or EPS if you like, by 8 cents, coming in at 132 versus the forecast of 124, and they raised guidance for the full year for growth by 1% as well, from 7 to 8%. So, very well received by the market. In fact, I'm surprised they're not sharply better than they are. And then a name that we all know, and a product we've probably all used in the past, WD-40, WDFC in the US, $85.50, down roughly 3.75%. And they've missed, I'm afraid. Earnings missed by 1 cent, so they came in at 75 cents per share versus the forecast of 76 cents per share. But a big miss on revenues, missed by $7 million. They came in at 92.5 million versus a forecast of 99.4. So quite a meaningful miss on revenues. And as I say, they're down by 3.74%. In terms of levels today, as you say, European equities are a bit better. So we've raised the benchmarks here. FTSE 64.90 on the downside now, plays 65.80 on the upside. That's really just around the recent range. The DAX 10,870 is our downside level, and 11,000 I've gone for on the upside. Interested to note that that's back above its 200-day moving average now. For the S&P, 2044 to the downside, plays 2052 to the upside. Nice and tight, not quite sure what the direction is going to be today. Obviously, set off yesterday, but that might have been more about the New York Stock Exchange.
Yes, that didn't help anyone.
Being out of action than anything more sinister. And the Dow, similar story here, 17,500 on the downside, plays 17,665 to the upside. Currency-wise, no great shakes really. Euro a little bit firmer, so 110.18 now on the downside, plays 111.16 on the upside. Really searching for direction, and I guess that's pretty much going to be Greece dependent. Aussie dollar, US dollar, 73.90 the downside here in the Aussie dollar, and 74.82 the upside level. Dollar yen a smidgen better, 121.12 now the downside level, plays 121.90 to the upside. And cable, largely unmoved by the budget, it must be said, 153.53 our downside level, plays 154.12 to the upside.
It's stabilised a little bit anyway there. Okay, well that wraps up the Wall Street crossover show for today. Thanks to Darren Sinden, market commentator at Admiral Markets, for coming in, and we'll have more of the same this time tomorrow.